So, you want to know how to check if your Google account has been hacked and fix it right now. Sign into the account you're worried about. Click your profile picture up in the corner and hit Manage your Google account. You'll land on your account dashboard. Hit Security on the left side. Scroll down until you see Recent Security Activity and click any activity you do not recognize. See something sketchy? Click on it and hit No Secure Account. Google will help you lock things down and change your password. Back in security, find Signing into Google and click two-step verification. If it's off, turn it on. Add your phone number if it asks. Now, even if someone gets your password, they can't get in without your phone. Then scroll to your devices and click Manage Devices. This shows every phone, computer, whatever that's signed into your account. See something you don't recognize? Click on it and hit Sign Out. Gone. Next, look for third-party apps with account access. These are apps that can mess with your Google stuff. Remove anything you don't use anymore or don't recognize. Go back to security and click Password. Change it to something new. Mix letters, numbers, symbols. Make it long, at least 12 characters. Save it. Your account should be locked down now. Anyone who was in there uninvited just got kicked out.